What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are dropping off the F80 at Samuel's Auto Body here in Orlando. I can't wait to get the GTS hood painted. This is gonna be absolutely insane. I'm actually mobbing right now with a G80 M3 that's actually super kitted out. I think he's murdered out as well, and he's actually from Georgia, so shout out to you, man. I don't know who you are, but hopefully I find out from this little drive. But it's always a good day to drive your M, and then you find another BMW owner driving with you on the highway. But yeah, we're on the way there now. I'll catch up with you guys when we get there. We're about like 6 minutes away from the shop, and if this video came out after Christmas, I hope everybody had a good holiday. But this is a super exciting video for me. Once the hood is painted, it's gonna tie the whole car together. I'll show you guys what the car looks like outside right now with the yellow DRLs. It looks absolutely menacing. So as always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for future content, hit the bell, follow your boy on Instagram, and now let's get into this video. All right, here we are, Samuel's Auto Corporation here in Sanford, Florida. As you guys can see, they do a lot of like collision repair and body work. But I know from Ben's videos, aka Shame M3 on Instagram, him and Jonathan Townsends go here. So I know from their personal testimony and videos that they do an amazing job here. So that's why we are going with them. And also shout out to Ben the GOAT. He's actually called the GOAT because he not only helps us out with our BMW issues when they go wrong, he also fit your boy into Samuel's before the Christmas break. So shout out to Ben, make sure you guys follow him. It looks so freaking good with the yellow DRLs. It looks super aggressive, and like I said, in the car, once it's painted, it's gonna tie everything together. Yo, I can't believe this is my F80 right now. This shit looks hard as I'm super happy. I mean, I know they're gonna get the fitment right and get the gaps figured out once they get it all painted and situated. But shout out to Ben. I'm gonna put a picture of his car right now with his painted hood. Samuel's actually did his front bumper, his fenders, and they blended them all together. Today, we're not gonna be blending the bumper and fenders just because of personal choice right now and pricing, but I think I'll get away with it because of the black sapphire metallic paint. But yeah, we're just gonna get the hood painted for now, and then we're gonna get it PPF'd in a month or so stay tuned for that. Hey, I know this F80. This is Diego's car. We also have the vent for them to paint. I think I'm just gonna have them painted in gloss back, but I am working with Suvneer to have a carbon fiber one come out very soon, so stay tuned for that. Again, huge shout out to Suvneer. Couldn't do this video without them, so huge shout out to them for sponsoring, again, the hood, and I can't wait to see the final product of the GTS hood. Let's go. This is my buddy Diego's Secure Orange F80 M3 on the, you already know, gold 763Ms. Look absolutely beautiful. Damn, look at this lineup though. Looks sick. So the keys are officially with them, so we're not gonna see the F80 for probably a couple days or a week. It is Christmas, so I know they're busy here. I'm not gonna rush them or push them for any time frame specifically, but we'll pick it up probably after Christmas and probably park it in the garage because I don't want to be driving around with a freshly painted hood. Of course, you just run the risk of rock chips, and then we're gonna let it cure for probably like 30 days or so. We'll talk to them when we pick it up, and then we'll get it PPF'd, all before invasion. But yeah, already you guys see it. This car looks amazing. It looks so aggressive. Dream car vibes. Big time. We got the Supra on the TEs, obviously here for some body work, and my boy Diego's F80 looking hella clean. Love the fire orange on the gold 763Ms. So sick. Got a 911 over here, and then I think this is a 4 Series with a wide body kit, if you guys can see right there. Not sure what the status of that is, but it looks like it's here for paint as well. Look at that body kit. That shit's crazy. We got a beautiful Camaro SS right here in this like dark army olive green. This thing looks beautiful. Gotta love the classics, gotta respect the classics. But my Uber is almost here, so in the next clip we are gonna be on the way over here. So stay tuned and we'll catch you then. One more time. Had to look back at it. Yo, looks crazy.
A few moments later.
All right, we just got dropped off in my Lyft, and we are here at Samuel's Auto Body. We are about to see the F80 with the new paint match GTS hood from Suvneer in probably like 10 minutes or so, but they said it looks amazing. I talked to the front office and the owner, and they're super nice people here. Definitely recommend them. Their customer service is amazing, but yo, I'm super excited. This is my Christmas present to myself, so stay tuned. You guys are gonna get my first reaction. Brittany, the front desk lady, actually asked me if I wanted to go see the hood before they put it on, but I told her no. I wanted to see it, you know, when it was all put on the car for a grand reveal. So my reaction will be my genuine first time seeing it. Check out this Laguna Seca E46 M3 also here. Freaking beautiful. Yo, they pulled in the F80 into the bay for me just so I could see it inside and then get some B-roll or some reels or something like that. But here we go. You guys are about to get my first reaction on seeing the new paint match GTS hood. Damn. That shit looks crazy. Take a look, guys. Under the light. Holy shit. This thing looks insane. What do you think about it?
Looks great.
Looks crazy, yo.
Did it.
Yeah, exactly. The paint match looks amazing. You can see the metallic flake in the paint itself. Yo, this looks hard as f. Absolutely love it. They did a killer job. The final piece to the puzzle, the GTS hood from Suvneer. The owner was telling me that they couldn't get the vent situated because of some fitment issues, but all good. Suvneers are going to be sending out a carbon fiber one in a few weeks. But dude, check it out. I can't believe this is my car. That's insane. Dude, it looks freaking incredible. Can't stop staring at it. Can't stop smiling either. Yo, I'm gonna turn the DRLs on so you guys can see what it looks like with the headlights on. Dude, there's no way this is my car. There's no way. Holy shit. Yo. I'll show you guys a little more when we get back into the garage, but as you guys can see right here, Brad, the owner, took care of the hood being a little higher than the fender itself. And as you guys can see, the gaps all around are very even, and even the front bumper gaps are perfect. We may need to tweak a little bit, but from first glance, all of the gaps look very even all around. I know this is a big thing on aftermarket GTS hoods that people are worried about, but as you guys can see, all the gaps look aligned and are very evenly spaced out. And damn, the paint match was definitely the move. And as I mentioned before, the vent that came with the Suvneer GTS hood didn't fit properly, and I didn't want to void the paint warranty, of course, so we opted to leave that off. But I've already talked to Suvneer, and they're sending out a carbon fiber vent in the near future before BMW Invasion, so stay tuned for that. But for now, we're gonna see the carbon fiber strut brace popping through. Absolutely love it. I'm gonna get out of their hair though, get you guys some B-roll and maybe some reels, and then we are headed out of here. I'm so happy. I just got done filming some reels and some B-roll for the beginning of this video, and man, it looks so great. I'm gonna pull the car out now, get out of their hair, and we're gonna head back home super carefully. I'm very nervous because I don't want to get any rock chips, of course, before our PPF appointment. So yeah, I'm gonna probably take it easy for the next couple weeks. Probably not gonna drive the car much. I don't want any rock chips, anything to mess up this beautiful paint job that they had. But again, huge shout out to Samuel's Auto Body here in Sanford, Florida. They did an amazing job. All right, quick sneak for the boys before we go home. This is how it looks in the daylight, and it looks incredible. You guys can see the metallic flake, and the paint match is perfect. The gaps all around look amazing. All right, so we just left Samuel's, but let's freaking go. One, I'm super happy to have the car back, and two, the GTS hood looks amazing. I'm so happy right now. But this is the biggest part of the video, probably, is making it home. We're probably gonna avoid some highways and not getting any rock chips in this freshly painted hood, so wish us luck. We'll keep you guys updated when we get home. I'm gonna focus on driving and avoiding any truck slip that matters, so we'll catch up with you guys back in the garage. All right, we made it back to the garage, and damn, I still can't believe how good it turned out. I'm actually in shock. Like, it's amazing, and it just ties everything freaking together. That power dome is insane. I can't wait to get it PPF because right now I'm limited on how much driving I can actually do. I don't even want to pull it out that much, honestly. Like, I don't know. I keep thinking that something's gonna fall on it or nick it, and I think the safest place right now is in the garage. But stay tuned, PPF appointment has been scheduled, so that'll be soon, and then we can go back out and film some more content for you guys. Really quickly, before I show you guys how good the gaps are all around, I just wanted to show you guys how the hood looks underneath. I opted for the matte black paint, which is the closest to factory. It's like a, you guys can see it's like a matte black, not a gloss black, so that's what I opted for. Turned out incredible as well. The attention to detail and their paint work, amazing. Super happy with the turnout. I had a couple people asking about the fitment, so I wanted to give you guys a in-depth review of how, you know, the gaps turned out. And as you guys can see, the gaps are pretty much set with like the gap up here. And if I pan all the way around the car very slowly, you guys can see it's very, very even. As I was saying, before I was interrupted by my beautiful fiance, the gaps all around are very, very even. I actually moved in this fender just a hair. It was super easy. It's just one 10mm bolt. And then moving right along on the front side of the bumper, again, the gaps look so good. Super impressed with what they did from when I picked it up. And then continuing on to the driver's side, you guys can see the gaps again flow all together. They're all super, super even. The owner, I think he like sanded down the hood a little bit. So now these two planes are even, and it's also the same on the other side. So that was my only gripe with this hood before, but now I would give it like a 9.5 out of 10. This thing is beautiful. Can't wait to get content with it and just drive the car. It's been like 3 weeks since I've actually like driven the car and like just been able to take it out for a test drive. So don't take those moments for granted. Us car people need to drive the car. Can't wait to get this PPF. So stay tuned for that. That'll probably be coming next week. But yeah, shout out to Suvneer. This thing turned out incredible. Active Auto Work just sent me a couple of packages. So stay tuned for the next video. You guys will find out what's inside. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. But again, a huge shout out to Samuel's Auto Body, and huge thanks to Suvneer for sponsoring this hood and also just partnering with me, you know, for the future of this channel. This is 100% up there in my top 5 mods now. I mean, just look at this thing. It's the most beautiful thing ever. It's definitely up there with wheels, exhaust, and my icon headlights that I did. So I'm so happy right now. Can't wait to show the homies as well as showcase it next month at Beamer Invasion. So I can't wait to see all of you guys there. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Let me know if you guys enjoy. Let me know what you guys think about the hood. And as always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for future content, follow your boy on Instagram, and follow Suvneer as well. It'll be linked in the description below. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Peace.